Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download Zerion application on your iPhone. To download Zerion application on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store. In the search box, type in Zerion and search. Look for this application that says Zerion Wallet, Crypto and Web3. Tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device and your download process should begin. The Zerion app is a popular decentralized finance portfolio management tool that allows users to manage, track, and invest in cryptocurrency assets across multiple DeFi protocols from a single platform. You can manage your portfolio, swap tokens, earn yield, and provide liquidity directly from the Zerion mobile application. After waiting for a couple of minutes, your application will be downloaded on your device, and that is how you will be able to download the Zerion application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.